I think in some few people I think attended for the last demo. So just I will you can go through if you didn't attend the demo. Please go through the video link. If you want video link, I will share. I think most of the people I shared the video link for the most of the people. Okay, I will just go through the what are the things I discussed the last classes, last demo. Then we will discuss about the your timings and how I will start the classes. I will tell you those things. Okay, last demo I given brief idea about the what is big data, what is Hadoop, and what is NoSQL. First, before going to big data, I explain why from last 1 year or 1.5 year why so much hype in the big data or Hadoop tools. So why main reason is we are getting a lot of data from the social media and the mobile usage and the charting applications or the online shopping or bank transactions and everything are we are getting a lot of data from the all these sources. So that's why only we are getting the lots of data. Previously, before if you uh, observe the few months back, we are getting only gigabytes of data, but now we are getting the terabytes, petabytes, and zettabytes of data also. So we are getting a lot of data. How we can store and how we can retrieve uh, those things. Big data will deal those things only. Big data is not a tool or not a software. Big data is a theoretical concept to solve. It will describe about the what are the problems we'll get while if we have the more large amount of data, how we can store, how we can process, how we can store the different varieties of different kinds of data, structured data, semi-structured data, that kind of things it will do. These are the one more example of the Twitter data and other sources of big data. These are the different sizes of the data, gigabytes and petabytes, exabytes. This is the main parameters of the big data. So first one is volume. So in volume, uh, how we can store the large volumes of data, petabytes and terabytes and petabytes and more than that data. And velocity. So velocity means we have the some continuously we will get the data from the, suppose if you have any social media sites or any other websites is there, we will get the continuously will get the larger volumes of data. How we can process the that large volumes of data, and how fast we can process that large volume data, that way that is will come under velocity. And last thing is variety. In variety, how we can store the different kinds of data, structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data. So these things we will deal it in the variety, different kinds of data. So how we can store the uh, uh, different kinds of data. Suppose if you have the text file, XML file, JSON file, or image or video, how we can store different kinds of data. That will come under variety. So all these parameters, if you are talking, if you want to solve the big data problem, we need to think about these three parameters. So these are the some big data customer scenarios, social network and banking, advertising, some other scenarios. And last demo, you can go through those demo, that demo. I explained all these things clearly. All these things tomorrow while starting Hadoop, I will discuss all these things. What is I think commodity hardware and the distributed storage, fault tolerance, parallel programming. I will tell in the next classes, Hadoop classes. I will tell you how we can achieve fault tolerance, how we can achieve distributed storage, how we can achieve the parallel programming. Uh, Next classes I will explain. I think last demo I given a basic idea about what is distributed storage, what is the fault tolerance, and what is the parallel programming. So tomorrow I will while starting the Hadoop classes, I will tell how we can achieve Hadoop all these things. Next, how the Hadoop started. It is mainly started by using the Google Papers. GFS is the Google file system, and MapReduce for the for processing. GFS for the storage, and MapReduce for the uh, this processing. So based on these two things only, HDFS and MapReduce came into picture. So initially, Facebook and Hadoop only created some components, and they released to public as under the Apache license. Then some other Cloudera company came into 2008 or 2009. They released some distributions, Cloudera distribution. After that, Atomworks also there, Atomworks distribution. Uh, like that, initially some companies are involved into Hadoop for bringing more into Hadoop. So these Hadoop tools are all our Hadoop tools are the open source under the Apache license. And I explain what is Hadoop. These things you can go through demo. Tomorrow I will explain one by one. While going to Hadoop, I will tell all these things. Yes, Hadoop main point is Hadoop. Hadoop is a open source for storing the large volumes of data, and we can process the large volumes of data parallelly. That is the main concept of the Hadoop. Under Hadoop, we have the different components. Main features are these things: distributed storage, fault tolerance, horizontal scalability, open source, community hardware, and parallel processing. These are the main features. Last demo, I explained all these concepts briefly. Uh, Tomorrow, we will go through one by concept, how distributed storage. These are the main two components in the Hadoop, uh, HDFS and MapReduce. Last demo, just I given brief idea about what is HDFS and what is MapReduce. And also I just explained the different tools in the ecosystem. What are the different tools in the Hadoop ecosystem? After that, I give a brief introduction about the NoSQL. What is NoSQL? What are the different kinds of NoSQL? Uh, last demo I given details about these things. What is big data? What is Hadoop? What are the different tools in the Hadoop ecosystem? And what is NoSQL? So these are the things I discussed in the last demo. You can go through that demo. I think you will get more details. If you are having any doubts in that one, contact me. I will explain. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, this is the introduction about the big data and Hadoop and NoSQL. From tomorrow, I will start from Hadoop. So first, I will explain the what is HDFS and what is MapReduce clearly. So what we have the some different services internally in HDFS and MapReduce. So these are the some name node, data node, and secondary name node from HDFS side. MapReduce side, we have the job tracker and task tracker. These are the daemon services. I think basically uh, this full Hadoop is created in the Java. So if you started Hadoop, so backend some services or Java programs are will run. So these are the main services in the Hadoop. These are the main services. While if we start Hadoop, these are the main services will start. So tomorrow I will explain one by one what is name node, data node, and things. So from tomorrow onwards, I will start. First, I will start theoretically what is HDFS and what is MapReduce and what are the internal things in the HDFS. HDFS. Then, if we then I will start creating a single node cluster. And before that, I will explain little bit about the Linux commands. So everything I will explain in the Linux. I think most of the production and most of the currently Hadoop is running in Linux. Why Linux is mostly Linux is the open source. That's why only uh, most of the production systems will be in Linux platform only. So tomorrow I will explain all these what are the internal concepts of the Hadoop, and then we'll go through the how we can install single node and multi node. Those things I will explain. Uh, okay, before going to okay next from tomorrow. Uh, 1 minute. Tomorrow I will share the material. Whatever I will explain presentations and the material I will explain. Actually, I will have the materials in the PDF. Uh, I think it is nearly 400 slides. So in this material, most of the HFS, MapReduce, and Hive and Peak tools material will be there in this material. So most of the whatever I will tell, all points, it will be in this material. How to burn everything, it will be there in this material. So tomorrow I will share this material. First we will go through the what is HDFS, what are the different services in HDFS, then how we will install. So I will tell and I will show in my my laptop. Then you can also practice. So all the materials I already uploaded in the Google Drive. So just tomorrow I will share the these links. So I already uploaded the different materials, whatever I will explain, this PDF and some other tools, and I also have the Linux commands, basic commands material, just small material. So I will share that also. And also I have the VMware software and also VM instance are there. This is the one instance. So I think mostly it will have I think 3.5 to sorry 2.5 to 3 GB instance. So this thing we need to load into VMware. So I will tell you after theory classes. I will tell you how to install the VMware and how we can install the Hadoop. I will tell you. So one more point is everything for practice purpose we are using the VMware. VMware, why we are using VMware? If you want to actually Hadoop, if you want to practice, we need to have the line. We can do it in Windows, but most of the in training, I'm giving training on Linux machine. So if you want to practice anything on Linux, or if you want to create a multi-node, 2 or 3 node cluster, we can do it directly from the Windows machine. So that's why only first we are installing the VMware. So from this VMware, I already installed the Linux machine, and I already installed the all the Hadoop softwares what are the needed. So just how we can open into VMware single node and multi node, I will tell, and how if you want to install how what are the steps we need to follow. That thing also I will tell you. So this is so. First I will explain the theoretical concept. Then I will show in my laptop how install and how the tool will work, and I will tell some examples. Then you can practice. So uh, so I will follow this way. If you have any suggestions, or if you have any other things are there, we can follow that one also. Okay, coming to what are the topics I will cover. I think most of the people I shared this one. If anyone, if anyone didn't get this tiny content details, I will share. Please ping me. Then I will share this contents. What are the contents I will cover in training? These are the different tools. HDFS, MapReduce, Hive, Pig, Scoop, Flume. Introduction about the NoSQL, and I will tell about the one NoSQL database, HBase. I will tell you, and I will give some small POCs and how real time how will use these ecosystem. I will give, and I also explain and I'll also discuss about the Cloudera and Atmos distributions also. I will tell you. Okay, these are the things today I want to discuss. From tomorrow, I will start the Hadoop basic Hadoop class. One more thing is I want to discuss about the timings. Please ping me your timings, convenient timings. I think mostly I want to start from the 7:30 a.m. Indian time. So from your side, everything is okay. That time, okay. Sekar, okay. 7:30 is. What is the CST time? Current CST time? I think okay. Okay, 8:30. Yep. I think 7:30 a.m. equal to 8 p.m. CST. Am I right? Okay, okay, okay. I think all are from CST or some people are from EST also there. Ramesh, Ravindra,
Yeah, I'm an EST. No, Ramesh here. I'm an EST.
Ramesh, EST.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay.
It's like 9 p.m. is good for me.
Okay, okay, okay. Nine. Okay, for you 7:30 IST is okay.
Yeah. 7:30 is like 9 p.m. EST.
Okay,
So that is good for me.
okay, okay, okay. Uh, okay. Who else? Hello, Ram. I think for you also.
Hello.
Hello, hello. I'm someone not getting it. Hello. Okay, daily classes also okay, no? I think mostly weekly I'm planning to take 4 or 5 classes. Mostly 1 to 1 hour duration will be there every day. And for each topic, I will tell theoretically, then I will explain in my laptop. So I will give 1 or 2 days time to. Okay, okay, thank you, sir. I think I will give. Uh, if you want, I will give 1 or 2 days time for the practice or whatever things I explain. If you want to cover, I will give 1 or 2 days. So what else we have? I think from tomorrow, I think 4 or 5 people will join daily. I think most of the are from US only. I think 1 or 2 people will join tomorrow from India also. Okay, those are the things I want to discuss today. So from tomorrow we will start the classes from 7:30 a.m. IST and your timings. I think 8 p.m. CST and 9 p.m. EST. I think, am I right? You can ping. Yes, yes. Okay. 8 p.m. CST and 9 p.m. EST. Okay. Okay. If you have any other doubts about any other thing, thank you, Shekhar. I think these are the things today I want to discuss. I don't want to. I'm not going to discuss any other details regarding Hadoop. Just I want to, who will come tomorrow, and from tomorrow, what are the convenient times? Today, just I want to check that one, and tomorrow, from tomorrow, we will continue, and mostly 1 to 1.5 hour duration will be there. Depend on the topic, it will be there. So those are the details I want to discuss. Any other doubts if you have, you can ping me now, or you can contact me into my mobile, or you can send mail. I think for Shaker, I think everything is clear. I think. Hello, Shekhar.
Yes, you know, Jacob.
Okay, I think for you, doubts or if you have
No, okay.
okay, okay,
I'm for okay.
okay. From tomorrow you can continue. You can drop out. You have any doubt, you can drop.
Oh, okay.
Okay, thank you. Ravindra. Uh,
Yes, Renu.
okay.
Yeah, everything is fine.
Okay, okay, okay. Then good. From tomorrow you can join the classes. We will go through the one by one. And if you want to, you can also parallelly. One suggestion I want to tell you is, mostly I will cover the mostly basic thing. If you also parallelly you can go through the, any Hadoop articles or anything. If you want to know other details, you can ask me in classes. I will tell about those details also. If you want to know about any latest tools, or if you want to, if you have any idea about the other thing, if I know, I will tell those details also. Okay, Ravindra. Uh, Ramesh. Hello, Ramesh.